I think you can tell a lot about whatever type of people that you're with. You can tell, have a guess as to what they're like from the sound of their language. You wouldn't understand it, you know. I mean, you wouldn't necessarily understand, like, the Irish languages, you know. Fuisha viautsa. Shal bog garret. Mask marina. Ilan mar. Eg shul kosh kladda. Maddenes tranon. O loon gosaren. Hier eg bij. Fuisha viautsa. Shal bog garret. Mask marina. O chré chrua. O uignus durk. O kaint rontoch. Hier eg bij. Now, I know a lot of you didn't understand that. But you can just sense from the sound of it, we've been through a lot as a people.